Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I'm going to show you how to transfer file from phones to SD card. Okay, the first step that you have to do is you have to go to your file manager. Okay, open your file manager, and then if you want to transfer from the phone to the SD card, you have to click internal storage. Okay, and you can choose the file that you want to transfer. I'm going to choose the file from download folder, and then you can click and hold your file that you want to transfer, and you can move or copy your file. It's according to you, and I'm going to move my file. And if you want to move, you can click move, but if you want to copy, you can click copy. And the bottom is right here, and I want to click move, and then you can click this icon on the top of the screen and click this icon again, and then click SD card and choose the folder that you want to place the file, and I'm going to choose download folder and click move here. Okay, now the files have been transferred to the SD card, and that's the tutorial from me, guys. Thanks for watching.